So today's topic is, guys, in the pyspark we are going to learn something called as partition by. Just give me, guys, 1 second. Yeah, we are going to learn, guys, partition by and window function and how to partition the data. So that is what is the plan. Okay. So let us just see, guys, how the partitioning happening and the analytical functions. Do you know analytical functions? Rank, dense rank. Have you heard about that? Yes or no, guys? There's something called
Yes,
as rank. There's
yes.
something called as dense rank. Yes or no? So what happens here? Let's suppose this is the data. Okay, this is employee table, and I want to put a rank based on the descending order of the salary. So how we put the rank, guys? What is the way? First, we have to write an subquery. Select a star from here. We will write the analytical functions. Let's suppose dense of rank. Dense rank we want to put. And over, guys, whatever the criteria is there, let's suppose it is order by, salary, descending order. You want to, partition based on the department number, you can do that also. Partition by, department number. And then order by, guys, salary descending, but partition by, spelling should be, correct. What is spelling of partition by? Partion, right? Partition by department number, order by, salary in a descending order R, And then I want all the things, so I will write emp dot star, from emp. And then, guys, here we can write, our, conditions. Let's suppose R equals to, second rank, third rank. So these things we can, use. This is called as, guys, analytical functions. How many of you are clear about this analytical function, or shall I, explain this analytical function? Rupa, Mukesh, Gitanjali, Dinesh, Chitra, Chetan, Bhumneshwari, you know. Guys, are you clear about analytical functions, or I need to explain it? Please tell me fast.
Yes.
Yes,
Shall I explain, guys?
yes, sir. Brief it, sir, little bit.
Yeah. So, guys, analytical functions are always, done based on the subqueries, okay, in SQL. So this is the analytical function. It is based on the analytical functions, dense rank, row number, and this kind of, these are analytical functions which will do, this some of the, criteria what we will put over a set of, datas. Let's suppose the set of datas are, guys, this is the salary. So now this salary, guys, I wanted to make it a partition. So partition means what? Department 10, we can consider it as a partition. These are the department, 10 partition. Similarly, department 20 partition will be there. All the 20s will be, one partition. And then all the 30s will be one partition. So there are three partitions. Let's suppose department 10 partition. Department 10 partition is now like let's suppose all the department 10, let us just collect. In that, guys, order by salary descending. That means descending order of the salary. First it will be 5,000, then it will be 2450, and then it will be 1300. So department 10 is a partition. In that, we have put the salary in descending order. So this is what, guys, department wise, we are putting a partition based on descending order of the salary. Similarly for department 20 and 13, and where we wanted the rank equals to 2. So let's suppose for department 10, how many salaries were there? Let us just see like this. Select a star from emp, ordered by to analyze, guys, I'm writing this query. So what I'm doing is that I'm just shorting it based on the the department number. So this is department 10. So here, how many salaries are there? One is, guys, 5,000, 2450, and 1300. So for department, 10, which is the second maximum salary? Can someone tell me? For department 10, which is the second maximum salary?
2450.
2450. Guys, all of you, agree with this? What about Bhumneshwari and Chetna, Chitra? Do you agree with this? That this is the partition? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For department number 10,
Hmm.
so it should be sorted descending. Okay.
Tell me.
Okay.
This
So
this is this is just to show you what is happening. I have written this like a second query, only to make you explain. Okay. So what I did now, I just shorted based on the department number and the salary. So department number 10, and then department number 20. and department number 13. Just to explain you, okay? So just I wanted to talk for department number 10, which is the second maximum salary. Is it 2450 or not? This is my question.
Yes, yes, that's right.
And for department 20, what is the second maximum salary? Yeah, guys. For department 20.
950, 950, I think.
Yes or no? Which is the second maximum salary? Yes or no, guys? Department 20, this is 20. No, second maximum is, I guess, which is the second maximum? I think this one. You're right, 2975. Yes or no, guys? What do you think? So this is the second maximum, right? You have to take the second maximum. Yes or no, Bhuvneshwari, Chaitanya, Chitra,
Yeah, yes, yes.
Dineshri. This is this, second maximum. And for department 30, guys, what is the second maximum? I think it is, 1600, right? Yes or no, guys? See here. Yes or no? Are you able to understand, guys, department wise, what is the second maximum salary? Yes or no? Tell me, guys, any doubt here? Concept should be very, very clear.
Yes, sir.
So now, guys, what is happening here? This is, guys, how to get this second maximum for each department. So what we did, we put a analytical function. Which is the analytical functions we are using? We're using analytical function called as what, guys? Dense rank. Yes or no, guys? Are you guys able to understand? We are putting an analytical function called as what? Dense rank. Now this dense rank will put a rank, just it will put a rank. What is that rank? Let's suppose we partition by department 10. That means this is, let's suppose this is department 10 partition and this department, 20 partition. So now what are you doing is that in this partition, once you have done the partition based on the department number, you sort it based on salary in the descending order. Yes or no, guys? So which salary will come first? For department 10, first salary will be, the descending order 5,000. Yes or no, guys? Then what will be the next salary for department 10? Let us just take department 10, 2450. Do you guys agree with me? And the third maximum salary is what? 1300. Yes or no? Similarly, it will be done for department 20 and department 30. Let us just take the example of department 10. So this is the second maximum salary. So what happened is that, after we have put an analytical function, partition based on the department number and then sorted based on the salary. And then, guys, I want to select everything from employee table. When we want to select everything from employee table, what we write? EMP dot star. Do you guys agree with me? Dot star means everything I wanted from EMP table to see it. Now all these things, guys, this is a subquery. This is a subquery. Let's suppose this is a table X. Okay, select a star from this table X, and this table X has this partition data and then sorted salary. From this table, I wanted only the ranks to be 2. So this will come, guys, 2450 for department 10. Similarly for department 20. Similarly for department 30. Let us just see that. So yeah, guys, let us just execute this one. See here for department 10, 2450, department 20, 2975, department 30, 1600. Are you guys getting some understanding? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Or still you are confused? Tell me, guys, are you getting some understanding analytical functions?
Sir, I
So
have one question.
yeah, tell me.
So why are we adding employee dot star at the end in subquery?
Well, to see the data, else you cannot, see the data. Let's suppose select a star from EMP. Okay, this is an employee table. Okay, now I write, EMP dot star from EMP. What it will give? All the records from EMP table. Yes or no? This will give
Yes.
what? All the records from employee table. That is what is star. Let's suppose I don't write here. Then what will happen? All the records I cannot see. Only this column will be seen. Let's suppose I write this from the employee table. But I wanted to see the data. That's why I have added. Let's suppose I don't give. Then only it will tell rank 2, rank 2, rank 2.
Okay.
Are you to understand? If you want a particular, column to see, you write here salary. Let's suppose e-name. Anything, you can, write. I don't, I wanted to see everything related to that particular, rank. So now you are getting that this is the rank 2. Yes or no? And this is the, salary whose name is, e-name. Tell me, any more doubt?
Okay. What I assumed is like we have called full table outside the in
No,
subquery.
don't. Yeah, that is why I tell you guys, please ask questions.
Okay.
Tell me any more doubts. Tell me.
That's right. No. I am clear now.
Anyone else, anyone has any, doubt, please, guys, ask me. Prerna Singh, Mukesh, So no, guys, any doubt, please ask. So guys, Mukesh and all, and Chitra, did you understood this one, this, ranking? Yes or no? Tell me, guys, how the partition is done. Are you clear with this one? Yes or no? Let's suppose now someone will tell you, SQL question. Tell you what? Display the, guys, department wise, third maximum salary. Okay. So department, wise, you know, third, maximum salary.
Yes.
Okay. So can you write this query? Yes or no? What you will type? Everything will be same. Here R equals to 3. Yes or no? That is what is dense rank. What is dense rank? It puts a rank for the, condition. What is dense rank, guys? Do you remember dense rank? What is dense rank? Let's suppose there's a, the condition is salary in, descending order. Let's suppose 5,000 will have a dense rank as 1. 4,000 will have a dense rank as 5,000 again. Again, it will have rank as, 1.
1,
And 4,000 will have rank as what, guys?
2.
Yes or no? But that is the difference, guys, between dense rank and rank. Rank will create a, gap. Do you remember? Rank function will create a gap. What is that gap it creates? Tell me. Here it will be 1 and here it will be 1. But the next one, it will not be 2. It will be what, guys? 3.
3.
That's the difference between your rank and dense rank. Yes or no? Those have joined today, guys, just try to, understand. I'll talk to you, after the class. Just try to understand whatever you can understand. So this is, guys, are you guys getting clarity, rank and dense rank? Yes or no, guys? Rank will create the gap between ranking system. Dense rank will not create the gap between ranking system. These are analytical function. These are put, over. Definition is what, guys? Dense rank over. Over what is that? It will partition based on the department number. First, make a partition based on what, guys? Department number. What are the department numbers were there? 10, 20, 30. So there are 3 partitions based on the department number. And here, the salaries will be in descending order. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting understanding? Salary will be in descending order. Salary will be in descending order. In that, we have selected the second one. Are you getting the clarity? Yes or no, guys? Any doubt? Tell me, guys. Are you clear with this concept? Partition by? Yes or no? Kirti, are you clear? Tell me.
Yes.
What about, Rupa, Sumati, Predna, Mukesh? Are you clear, Mukesh?
Row number
Yes.
also.
Tell me.
Row
Yeah.
number also, no? There.
Yeah, we will go one by one. But are you clear with this dance rank? No, it will not,
Yes,
create
sir.
the gap between. Yes.
Yeah.
We'll go one by one, all the analytical functions I'll show you. This is dance rank. Okay, guys.
Every
Now,
interview having this question.
yeah, every interview they will ask us, row number, dance rank. Let's suppose this is dance rank. I wanted to see the rank. So what I will do the changes, can you tell me? Let me just, say, guys, take all the columns. Take all the columns. What I will write here? Tell me, everybody. What I will write here? EMP dot star.
Star.
Yes or no? So now, guys, instead of rank, if I want, instead of dance rank, if I want rank, what can I write here? Can I write rank, guys? Yes or no? Tell me.
Rank.
Will it work, guys? Definitely it will work. Are you to understand? Yes or no? Are you guys understanding? This is rank, this is dense rank. What is the difference between rank and dense rank? What is the difference? What is the difference, guys?
Rank, it will skip the number.
Rank will what it will do?
It will skip the number if there
Yeah,
is any
it will
like
create a gap
duplicate.
between the ranking system. Rank will create a gap between the ranking system. Like that, you have to tell. Okay, always remember. Let's suppose there's a salary. I told you, this is 1,000. This is 200, and this is 200, and this is 100. So rank will create the gap. Okay, if I put a rank function, what will happen, guys? This will be rank. 1,000 will be what? What will be the rank of 1,000? Rank of 1,000 will be 1. Let's suppose it is in descending order. This will be 2. This will be again 2, and then it will create a gap. What will be the gap? It will be 4. Are you able to understand? It will not be 3. This is the problem with rank. But dense rank, it will not create the gap between the ranking system. Let's suppose I take the dense rank. Yes or no, guys? Then what will happen? What will be the dense rank? Can someone tell me? What will be the dense rank for this one? Can someone tell me?
1,
1, then
1. No, 2, 2.
2, then
2.
3.
2,
3.
2. Then
Let,
3.
yeah, let us take another, the analytical function called as row number. Have you heard about this one? Row number, it will, just assign the, number to each and, number to each and every, partition. That's all. Row number will, assign, guys, a number to each and every, partition. So now what will happen? Let's suppose, we have done, partitioning based on the department number. Okay. So now what it will do is that we will, partition, let's suppose department number 10 is there. Okay. So for department number 10, it will create one, partition. Let's suppose, let me just, explain it like this. For department number, let's suppose department number 10. Okay. 10, and then, again, 10 is there, again 20 is there, again, 20 is there, again 30 is there, again 30 is there. But this is just assigning a number to each and every, record. Let's suppose this is 1, and then it will have, guys, 2. This is assigning a number. For 20, again, it will start from 1, and then it will be 2, and for 30, again, it will start from 1, and then it will be the another, number assigned to this will be 2. Are you guys getting the understanding? It assigns a number to each and every record. Yes or no, guys? Number starting from, 1. Yes or no, guys? Let us just see with an, example to get some, more clarity. So rank and dense rank, guys, are you clear? Tell me any doubts here? Rank and dense rank. Let's suppose, if you want to, see only this, data, dense rank, you can just execute this one if you want, to see the, data. Let's suppose, if you want to see only the ranking thing, you can just, execute this one. Let's suppose, this is the, rank 1. And I wanted to, select dense rank over partition by department number, comma, cell, comma. Let me just, see everything so that I get, more clarity. Let me just, write like this, emp dot star. So now what will happen, guys? Now you can see everything, right? This is, dense rank I'm putting based on the descending order. First, we are making a partition or not? Tell me, which is the partition? Which is the partition? Bhuvneshwari, Chitra, what do we?
Department number.
Department number is giving partition.
Department number 10 is a partition, and the salaries are in descending order. Yes or no? Department 20 is another, partition, and the salaries are again in descending order. Do you guys agree with me? Now here, guys, for department 10, what is the second maximum salary? Tell me, what is the second maximum salary?
450.
So rank is 2. Yes or no? For department 20, what is the second maximum salary? Can you tell me? Department 20, what is the second maximum salary?
2975.
So this is the rank 2. And similarly for department 30, what is the second maximum salary? 1600. Yes or no, guys?
200.
So
Yeah.
this is the rank 2. That is what we are, taking out by putting a subquery. Are you getting now the clarity how the partitions are made and how the salary is sorted in descending order for the particular, partition? Any doubt here? Tell me, guys, yes or no? Are you getting some clarity? Yes or no?
So basic application of dense rank is to find the highest and lowest and middle salary, whichever we
No,
want.
no, not only salary. For any, criteria you can put. It's just,
Oh,
putting a analytical function. This is the function you are putting. You're putting a rank. So this time I put a rank based on the salary. It is
okay.
possible you can put a rank based on the commission. It's possible you can put a rank based on the employee number. It's possible you can put a rank based on the e-name. Just a rank. Let's suppose our school is there. So what you will tell? The person who will get, 99%, his rank will be what? 1. Who
One.
gets 98%, his rank is 2. Who gets 97%, his rank is, 3. Yes or
Yes.
no, guys? Like
Yes.
that, it will be keep on, decrementing as the value of the marks. That time I'll put the dense rank based on the marks. Are you able to understand what is rank?
Yes,
We are
sir.
putting a rank based on the condition, be it be salary, be it be marks, be it be, any other, criteria. Based on that, we wanted a rank. Are you able to understand? But the problem was rank was when two similar values was coming, it was creating a gap between ranking system. But what is the benefit for dense rank? This gap is not created. Yes or no? Are you getting some clarity? Let's suppose I write, rank. Then what will happen, Mukesh?
It will
Instead of
create.
dense rank, if I put, rank, what will happen? It will create a gap between ranking system or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? So department 10, what is the salaries? This. These are, unique values. So there's no, gap. But department 20, if you see here, this is
So
department 20. So
3,000.
what are the salaries, Mukesh? Can you tell me?
3,000 to both the person.
Both the, and then what is after 3000, 2975, what is the rank?
It is 3.
So is it the gap created between the ranking system or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Are you guys understanding? Bhuvneshwari,
Got it, sir.
Chitra, what is our Kirti? Yes or no? How the ranks are?
Yes. Yes.
Are you able to see this gap created? 1 1. Why 1 1? Because this is a top salary. And this should be 2975, should be 2. But this is rank. Rank will create a gap between ranking system, and it has created a gap, and the rank is 3, not 2. Yes or no, guys? Sumati, are you understanding? Yes or no? Guys, any doubt here? Before I move to pyspark, window function, are you clear with SQL window function rank and dense rank?
Yes, Vikram.
Now, guys, now some people ask, row number. Have you heard about this one? Row number assigns a number to each and every record. Yes or no, guys? Let us just see row number. Any analytical functions, guys, you can just take. Okay. Now, let us take, guys, row number. So now what is happening, Mukesh? It has made a partition based on what? Department number. And then what is happening? Sorted by what? Salary. Yes or no? So for department number, it will 10, it will assign the rank, row numbers. What is that row number? 1, 2, 3. For department 20, what will be the row number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till what? Department 20 exists? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
For department 30, again it will start with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no, guys? So it assigns a number to each and every, partition. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting some clarity? Tell me.
Yes.
Are you getting, guys? What is row number function? Can you tell me? It assigns a number to each and every partition. Yes or no, guys? Starting from number 1. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear? Someone asked me row number. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt? Row number is assigning a number to each and every partition. For department 10, it is started from 1, 2, 3. For department 20, again it starts from 1 till it ends. And department 30, again it starts with 1 and end till 6. Are you clear about, guys, row number function which will assign a number to each and every partition starting from 1? Are you clear till this much? Guys, tell me yes or no.
Yes. Yes. Clear.
So same query, guys, let's suppose, for, department 10, let's suppose, again, if you wanted, 2. So again, you can put the row number and you can get the, second maximum salary for department, 2. So here you will see it will not give, 2975. It is giving what? 3000 only. Why it is giving 3000? Because it's just, assigning a number to each and every record. Yes or no, guys? This is used, for deletion of duplicates. Let's suppose for I want to keep this, duplicates. I will show you when I will teach you cloud-based SQL server, how to delete the duplicates using row number, how to delete the duplicates using, row ID. So all those things, I will discuss. But as of now, guys, are you clear that it is not, say department 20, what should happen? See a department 20, the maximum salary is 3000. Here it is 1, again 3000, it is coming 2. Why? Because this is not an analytical function that it is based on the salary criteria. It is just assigning a number to each and every partition. Are you able to understand the difference? Row number will assign the number to each and every partition. That's it. Yes or no, guys? It is, assigning a number from department number 20. From 1, it is started till goes till 5. Am I clear, guys? Murali, Prerna, Rupa, Sumati, Dinesh, Chaitanya. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting some clarity? Row number. Any doubt? So if you're clear, guys, let us just, come to our, pyspark, okay, and try to, figure it out how we can do. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now, guys, what I have done is that from pyspark.sql, I have imported the Spark session. For any, Spark code, we need the Spark session. From pyspark.sql.window, we have to import this, window. If we don't import this window, we cannot use analytical functions. And import from pyspark.sql.functions, as f, as I have told you, this is also a way, to use the analytical function. We are using, guys, the f technique from pyspark.sql functions. We are importing as f with the functions we are importing, and the alias name we have given as f. We are creating a Spark session. How can we create a Spark session? Spark session dot builder dot app name getter create. For using any pyspark command, we have to first create a Spark session. Yes or no, guys? These are the column names, and these are the guys, data. Whatever data we are taking, this is the column name. Let's suppose language, framework, user. This is a particular column name, and this is a particular, data. And we are creating a data frame. How to create a data frame? Spark dot create data frame. Pass this particular data. Pass this particular column names. And one data frame will be created. Those who have joined today, data frame is like a table. As of now, it is just like a table. Now, what is happening? If you see this, this is a table. This is a data frame. Looks like a table. It has 3 columns. What are the column? Language, framework, and users. Yes or no, guys? Now what will happen is that window specification means window dot partition by what? Language. We will partition based on the language. Let's suppose Python is a particular partition, JavaScript is a particular partition. There will be 2 partition because we are making the partition by language. So one partition will be Python and one partition will be JavaScript. And then order by guys users descending order. So users in the descending order. Let's suppose Python users 20,000, 20,000, and then it will be 9,000. For JavaScript it will be 7,000 and 5,000. So this is our partition we have written. How we have written window dot partition by window dot guys partition by, and then this particular language, and then order by whatever column. Hey guys, sorry, my system got hanged. Is my system visible, guys? Yes or no?
Not yet, sir.
Yeah, my screen got let me know if you can see my screen. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, we can.
Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, we can see.
yeah. So we have created a data frame, and then we are just partitioning based on the language and sorting based on the users. That's it. This is the window specification. This is very important, guys. In PySpark, without creating this window specification, you cannot use any analytical functions. So window specification equals to what the library what we have imported is window from pyspark.sql.window. We have imported this window. This window I'm using here, window dot partition by the column by which we are doing the partition, sorting it based on f, the function we use the technique f dot, the function is descending order. So we are using DESC, the column name is user, descending order of users. Then we are creating a data frame, guys, whose name I have written data frame new, data frame dot with column. With column will add a column or update a column. Here we are adding a column whose name is row number. And this is the expression. What is the expression? F dot row number. Put this row number over this, over this window specification. Means put this row number over this, partition by language and sorted based on the dictionary, sorted based on the users. Put the row number. So we'll put a row number and we'll see the data. Once we execute it, guys, we'll get like this. What will happen? This is the particular partition based on the language. This is the, in descending order. This is the language in descending order. Now what will happen? Row number will give a number to each and every partition 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. If I write guys here rank and dense rank, what will be the output? Can you try and tell me? If I use guys rank, let's suppose new data frame for rank, I write it as RK. And again I use a guys let me just see this new data frame for rank. And similarly, I wanted to put for a dense rank. So what will be the output? Can you just, think? DK. For dense rank, I'm writing DK. So what will be the difference, guys, here? Do you think any difference will be there? What will be dense rank? Can you tell me? It will be what? Yeah, tell me.
For it will be 1 and 2.
Then here?
Here it will be 1.
Hmm.
And then for the second 20,000, it will again be 1.
1.
And then the next one, it will be 2.
2 for rank, for dense rank. For this
For
is
dense
for,
rank, yeah.
for this is for dense rank. For rank, what will be the what will happen? Can you tell me?
For rank, it will be the JavaScript part will be same 1
Same.
and 2.
1
For
and 2.
Python, it will be 1, and the second one will be 1. Sorry, I think, yeah, second one will be 1, and then for 9,000, it will be thing 3, right? It will
Three. Yes or
step.
no,
It
guys?
will
Three.
step. Yeah.
So this will
Yes.
create the gap between ranking system. Yes or no? Let us
Yes.
just evaluate our result and what we are getting. Are we getting the correct result or not? Because this is a data frame which is coming. Okay, let us just see what happens. This is a data frame which has come. Now let's just try to put, guys, rank and dense rank, row number. There's a row number, numbers to each and every, partition, JavaScript 1, 2, Python 1, 2, 3. That's absolutely, correct. And let's see for rank and dense rank. But guys, here we have not put the rank and dense rank, right? Here we put, row number only. Here we should change, right? For rank, we could have written on f dot rank. And for dense rank, we could have written f dot dense rank. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let us just, guys, write down. Tell me.
One question, Vikram.
Yeah, tell me.
You have created one statement for Windows specification, like variable kind of thing, and you are passing that in overclass. Can't we directly put that statements in overclass without creating Windows specification?
No. In pyspark, this is mandatory to create a Windows specification. You cannot,
Oh.
use without, Windows specification. You cannot, make it SQL. There's some, difference. Okay. So
Okay.
without, window, that, you cannot, we cannot directly use, analytical function. Let it get, executed. We'll see, guys, more analytical functions because, analytical functions needs to be very, very, strong.
Sir, in the row,
Yeah, that's okay. We have given the name as, rank. Also, we have given row
Yeah.
number. That's here also we give row number. But the concept is clear, guys. Let us just see the data.
Yes, sir.
Let's not, waste time in the column name. Let's suppose this column name is rank. You can change the name, guys, here if you want. You can just, put this as, let's suppose this is you can put our name as rank here. And here you can put the name as what, guys? Dense rank. Yes or no? Let us see the data, guys. For rank, what will be the data, guys? Tell me. 1, 2. Then what will happen? These two values, 1 and 1. And then here's a gap. It is 3. Do you guys agree with me? This is the main thing. 1, 1,
Yes,
and
sir.
3. And
Yes,
what will
sir.
happen for, dense rank? Can you tell me? Dense rank, what will happen, guys? Tell me. This is same. Here it will be 1. Here it will be 1. And then it is 2. Do you guys agree with me? Dense rank.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Any guys, anyone has any doubt, tell me. Or you can you guys, right now, if someone will, tell you to, write the, code to get the, dense rank, guys, using a Spark session. So can you, write at your own? Can you first, import this, Windows? Without in Windows, we cannot, use it. So pyspark.sql.window, we have imported this, window from pyspark.sql functions. This is not, important, from pyspark.sql.functions as app, we are importing all the functions. So we are using this method. You can directly use what, guide pyspark.sql functions. You can just, you can just import, let's suppose, you can directly, use this one also from pyspark.sql.functions. If you don't want to use this function, you can use what, guys? Import, let's suppose, rank. So you can write here rank, okay? And you can write, guys, pyspark.sql.functions, okay? You can import the other analytical functions. Let's suppose I want, row number. So I can use here row number. You can use this technique also, pyspark.sql functions, okay? So this is, guys, proper, technique. This also you can, guys, use technique. Let's suppose from pyspark.sql functions, we have imported this row number, we imported this, rank, we imported this, dense rank. That time we don't have to use this app method. So this is also a way. So guys, now are you clear with this rank and dense rank? Yes or no? We'll go more examples, guys. As of now, are you clear with this one? Rank, dense rank, and row number. Is your concepts clear? Any doubt? Tell me. Are you Chitra? Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, clear.
Sir, in the
Tell me.
code, I have one doubt. Can
Tell
you
me, tell me.
please scroll a little bit? Yeah.
Tell me,
Yes.
tell me.
So here it is in the line number 21.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
You have written order by f.dac and then user. So what is this DAC, sir?
Descending order.
Acha, descending. Okay, so got it.
Okay, that's why I, imported as f and do. Else, what will happen? From every time, you will have to, import all the methods. Okay, if you want to import, you have to use, DSC. Yes or no? If you use
Mhm.
pyspark.sql functions, that time you don't have to use f dot. You can directly, use this, DSC. Why? Because, this is already, from pyspark.sql functions, I have already imported this, DSC. But every time we will have to remember. Now, if I remove this f, will it work? Definitely it will work,
Yes.
right? This app is no more of any use. Why? Because this functions I have manually imported from pyspark.sql functions, import row number, rank, and dense rank, and DESC. Yes or no, guys? Whatever analytical functions I am using. Now all the apps I have removed. Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to see? Now what
Yes,
is the
sir.
window partition? Window dot partition by language, order by
Yes.
DESC user. Am I using f dot user DESC?
No.
No, because I have to I have manually imported it from which module? From pyspark.sql.functions. I have imported this row number also, rank also, dense rank also, and DESC. Then I don't require this. Yes or no? Then I don't require from here also I am using this row number. Am I using f dot row number? No.
No,
I
sir.
have imported it over and this window specification, rank over this window specification, dense rank over this window specification. Are you able to understand, guys? There are a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of techniques, pyspark.sql functions, as f. Why people use? Because don't have to import manually from pyspark.sql functions. You can just import from pyspark.sql function as f, and f dot if you write, you can just use all the functions. Else manually just import it from pyspark.sql dot functions, whatever functions you want, and just don't use that f technique, and then also you'll get the same result. See it.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Tell me, guys. I want your concepts to be extraordinarily clear in this window thing, because I don't know why people get confused for this small and simple topic.
So you're teaching while, giving the brief about SQL also, so it is making our concept a bit more clear, sir. Thank you for that, sir.
Yeah. Guys, are you understanding? Yes or no? Rank, row number, and then, guys, we'll use, guys, dense rank. Now are your concepts, guys, clear? Yes or no?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So here we are getting all the columns, right? Like language, framework uses.
Yes.
So by default we get all the column and we want to specify only two columns, like how to get
Then you
to.
have to use, guys, select, let's suppose I want to select which column you want. Tell me. Let's suppose I want to, select what, guys, language. Then we have to write here, language, this one. Because this is the data frame which you have, created, where you are putting this, you are adding a column called as what? A row number, okay? And here you want, from this data frame, you want to select, let's suppose a language, and you want to select this, row number. Then you select whatever column you want. Let's suppose I want, language and row number. Then you select language and row number. You guys, use the select, whatever the data frame is there, dot select, and then select this particular, column. So no, whatever columns you want to select, what you have to do? You have to use select or not. Yes or no? So that you can select whichever columns you want.
Okay, sir.
Tell me, guys. Any doubt, guys? Let's suppose this is her question was, no, sir, you are always using dot show and seeing all the columns. Let's suppose I want a specific column. But in this new data frame, you select that dot select and put whatever columns you want to select. Yes or no, guys? See here. Are you guys getting some understanding, guys? Yes or no? If you want to see, you can just, select that. First day, guys, I'm giving you time to, understand, because I have to teach you so many analytical functions. If you see here in my, notes, there are, this is the very basic, analytical functions, guys. After this, rank, dense rank, and row number, again, we will tell you, cumulative sum, how to get the rolling average, okay? And then we will teach something called as analytical function called as lead and lag function. Then, guys, first and last value. Okay, so there are a lot of, analytical functions. So that's why, but the basic thing is, row number, rank, and dense rank. So these three, I wanted your concepts to be very clear to understand, guys, the next level of, concepts. Let it, execute. This is, guys, in this document, I have written the theoretical things also. Window function in PySpark are the powerful features of, data manipulation and analysis. They allow you to perform complex calculations on subset of data within a data frame. Within a data frame, if we take a subset of data and we perform, some kind of, analytical functions, let's suppose rank, dense rank, row number, that is what is, guys, really, require this window function in PySpark. So these are, guys, features for data manipulation and analysis that will help to perform this complex calculation of subset of data within a data frame without the need of expensive joins or subqueries. So in this tutorial, we will show you how to use window functions in PySpark. In order to do this, we are using three functions here. Only three functions are used: row number, rank, and guys, dense rank. So window function. So as it is called, a window function performs a calculation on set of rows. Okay, the window of rows is defined by partition and ordering of the partition. Window function will perform the calculation of set of rows. Set of rows is nothing but a window. Okay, in a house there's a window. There's a particular piece of rows, set of rows, where we will use the partition and ordering. There are two concepts generally used: partitioning and ordering. So PySpark provides a rich set of window functions that can be applied on a data frame. And this, we have to import this library from pyspark.sql.window import window. It is used to import the window class from pyspark.sql module, which enables you to define the window specification for window functions. These are window functions: rank, row number, and dense rank. So to do this, guys, window class, from pyspark.sql module, we have to, guys, mandatorily import. If you don't import this window class, we cannot, use this. And then, guys, we have, these are the, libraries we have imported. And this I already have showed you. We have created a Spark session. We have created a, data frame. And then what we'll do before applying, window functions, it is essential to define a window specification. So first, to use the window functions, we use, guys, something called as window specification. So window specification will specifies how rows are partitioned and ordered within each partition. So window specification is required, guys, before we use any window function. This window specification will specify, how rows are partitioned, and in that partition, how the sorting has happened in each partition. Partitioning is done based on window specification. In this partition, how the sorting is happening in every partition, these things are shown by window specification. Once window specification is done, then we will apply our window function. This is, guys, window specification. This is the partition based on the language. This is sorting based on the users. This is window specification, how the partition is done based on the language column, and in that partition, how the sorting is happening. Sorting is happening in descending order, and then after window specification, we will apply the window function. So this is where, guys, we are applying the window function over this window specification. This row number is put over. Focus on this word over. Over means what? This row number is put over this specification. The specification is having the partitions. In that partitions, it is having the sorting. Now we are putting the row number over this, whatever the specifications are there, and then we are getting the values. Are you getting, guys, understanding? Yes or no? This is, guys, I have used this, without using, F. Mukesh had confusion in, why are you using always F? Without F, you can use
Yes,
this
sir.
pyspark.sql.function and import this row number, rank, and dense rank, and directly use, guys, with this technique. df.with column, row number over this window specification, and rank over this window specification, dense rank over this window specification. This window specification is window.partition by language order by descending order of salary. There is nowhere I have used f dot function. Are you able to see, guys? Directly also you can use. Are you getting some understanding, guys, now about the analytical functions, how to use window function, and what is window specification? First you need to create the window specification, and then only you can put a window function to import. First you have to import this class called as window, then only you can use this window specification. For a window specification, we'll have the window. You have to use this keyword called as window dot, and then you will specify the partition by column, then dot order by, you will specify the in ascending or descending order column. Once you prepare this window specification, first thing is window specification. Once you have prepared this window specification, then only you will put the window function. What is the window function we are putting here? Row number. What is the window function we are putting here? Rank. What is the window function we are putting here? Dense rank. This is data frame dot with column. This is called a column name. Any column name you can give. And this is the expression. This is the logic what we write. What is the logic written here? Row number over window specification. Here, if you want to select a specific column, someone tell me, if I want to select only language and row number, so can I do that? Yes, you can do it. How? Using that select. Are you able to see who has asked this question? Are we able to see select only language and row number? Yes or no? Who asked this question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see which columns I have selected here? Tell me.
Language and row number.
Using which function? Select. Yes or no? Once you created your data frame, then you can use select, and then you can select whatever column you wanted to see. You wanted to see only language and row number, and you want to keep a method called as show. This is what is shown. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is what, guys, rank. This is why it's, dense rank. Are you clear with these concepts, guys? Yes or no? So now my question is, few of the, interview questions. Let me just see how much you have, understood. Let me just, guys, ask some questions. Let me see how much you have understood. So my question to you is, what is the difference between, rank function, analytical function, and dense rank and dense rank? What is the answer? What is the difference between rank and dense rank? Can someone tell me?
The rank
Tell me.
creates a gap. Dense rank
Creates a gap between what?
ranking.
Between what, guys? Ranking system, yes or no? Ranking system. Then what will happen? Dense rank does not creates, yes or no, guys? Does not creates a gap between ranking system. Yes or no, guys? You can explain with an example. Yes or no, guys? 3000, 3000 and 2000. So what will be, guys, the difference for, what is the difference for rank? What will be there? And for dense rank, what will be there? For rank, what will be the rank? Tell me, what will be the rank, guys?
1, 1, 3.
1, 1, 3. Yes or no, guys? This is the gap. Instead of 2, what happens, guys? It got 3. Yes or no? But for dense rank, what will happen, guys? Tell me, what will be the dense rank? Yes or no?
1, 1, 2.
Yes or no, guys? 1, 1, 2. Do you guys agree with me? It will be what? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, and 2. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? This is rank and dense rank difference. Then we learned, guys, what is, partition by. What is partition, guys? What is partition by? It is used to what? Is a clause. It is used to partition the records. Yes or no, guys? Based on a condition. Yes or no, guys? Do you remember partition by? Let's suppose, department number, and then, guys, what, guys? Order by salary. Yes or no? Do you remember that? Order by,
Yes.
sal, descending. Yes or no, guys? This comes, with a condition, guys, partitioning, and then you have to use, guys, order by also with, partition by. Yes or no, guys? Are you guys understanding? Partition by will what? Divide the data, into, particular, partition. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting some understanding? Yes or no? Then, guys,
Yes.
after this, we learned what? The next we learned is, after partition by, we learned, how to, how to use, guys, window function in PySpark. So what is the, approach? Can you tell me?
We have to import the module,
We have to
window module.
import first, guys, what we have to import? This window. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? And then what is the approach? We have to create, guys, what? Window specification. How to create a window
Specification
specification? Tell me. In window specification,
equal
you get to
to
what? Window dot, guys, what?
dot partition.
Partition by, let's suppose, department number. Yes or no, guys? Whatever column you want. Yes or no? Or partition by department number, and then you can give a sorting column. Yes or no, guys? Order by,
Yeah.
let's suppose, DESC, and whatever column you want. Let's suppose, salary. Yes or no, guys? You have to define first we have to define what, guys? Define the window specification. Do you guys agree with me? First, we have to define the window specification. And after defining window specification, what we have to do in PySpark? We need to put the, what, guys? Window function. Do you remember? We need to put the window function. How to put, guys, window function? We taken a data frame, underscore, new, and then we taken a particular, data frame. Do you remember that? And then if you want, guys, any analytical function, let's suppose, here I have taken, one analytical functions. You can take any, analytical function. You can take dense rank also. You can take, guys, rank also. So here what we are doing, we are taking this, let's suppose we take, guys, dense rank only. So we want to, add a column. So what we do, we write here with column. Write the column name. Let's suppose the column name is something called as dr. Any column name you can, guys, use here the column name, and then, guys, use this, window specification. In this window specification, what we need to put? We want to, put any, function. Let's suppose I want to put a rank. Yes or no, guys? So I can put a rank, guys. Yes or no? And we can write here, guys, in this, syntax, rank over, and this, window specification, rank dot, and this, right here, over, and this particular, window specification, rank, or let's suppose I want, dense rank, and I can write here, guys, dense rank. Instead of rank, I will write here dense of, rank over this, window specification. If I want to see the entire data, what I will write? df underscore new dot show. And if I want the specific columns, I told you, use that df underscore new and select whatever column you want to, see it. You just see it. Are you getting now, guys, some understanding? Yes or no? See these codes, guys. Are you
Just
getting?
yeah, if you go back to that previous slide, there you have mentioned window underscores specification equal to window dot partition, right? So how is it referencing the data frame?
See
I
here,
think
see here. Let us just, see here. This is a window specification I'm creating, right? What I have
yeah,
written, window dot partition by.
yeah.
That means this class window is required to use any window function. Okay. So now if you just, see here, so this class, we have, imported. So what is written? See, utility function for defining a windows in data frame. So windows is called a subset of the data. What is a window? A subset of the data. So what we have written here for, if you see the definition of, window class, so it's written class window. So what is written? Utility function for defining window in a data frame. So for defining any window means what? If you partition a data and you sort the data, that becomes a particular window. So how to partition and sort? To use that partition and sort, this is a function, this is a class. Class has, methods, class has functions. If you remember, class, when I was teaching you Python, I told you class can have a method, class can have a function, class is a blueprint where we write the codes. Yes or no? Like that, this is a inbuilt class. What is that inbuilt class? Whose name is window. And what is happening here? Here there are utility functions for defining what? windows in data frame. How will you use this window function? Okay, so this is what is the class. So this class will have what, guys? This is having utility functions for defining, windows in data frame. So now what will happen is that once you have, guys, this window, then only you can, create a, a particular partition based on a particular, column, or you can sort this particular data. If you don't have this window class, in the class we write the code. If you don't have this, class only, you cannot, write the code. This is something like blueprint where you will write the code. If you don't have this blueprint, you cannot write the code. So to write the code, we have to import this class. Inside this class, we will create a partition. Inside this class, we'll sort the data. Once window specification is prepared, then we will, what we'll do, just this row number dot what over, and where over what, over this specification what you have created. Are you able to understand? Are you guys able to understand? Over where? Over the window specification what you have created. Yes or no, guys? This entire code I can write, here also, over this one, window dot partition by, language dot order by DESC user. Are you able to understand? But to use this analytical function row number dot over, I have to create mandatorily what, guys? This window specification or not? Are you getting some understanding now? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys? Are your
Yeah.
concepts clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can you tell me? Are you guys, understanding? First, we'll create a window specification. Then we will put a window function. This is a window function, rank, dense rank, and row number. And this is a window function. We are putting over this window specification. Yes or no, guys? In this data frame, I wanted to add a column. So I have used, guys, with column. The name of the column is dr. And this is an analytical function which is we are putting over this window specification. What is window specification? Is a class via which we can, partition the data based on the column. We can sort the data based on a particular column. Once window specification is prepared, we can put the analytical function over the window specification. This is how we will use, guys, analytical functions in PySpark. I showed you in SQL also, and I showed you in PySpark also. But the only difference is here we require to create the window specification. Yes or no, guys?